Is that your Mater juice? Leandric? Is that your Mater juice? Mater juice? Apparently it's good Mater juice. Yeah? Where's your toy that Aunt Denise got you?
Denise?
Yeah, Aunt Denise. Where is it? Where's your McQueen toy? Your snow globe.
Where's the turtle?
Huh?
Oh, there.
Yeah, there it is.
This?
Can you show me? Shake it up. Shake it. Can you shake it? Silly. Oh my god. What's this?
Oh, that.
What is that? What is it? What do you do with that? Do you go Are those yummy? Never seen a kid devour so many Cheez-Its in my life. Hey, Leandric. What's that? Do you want to see something else Aunt Denise got? Okay. Leandric, what's this? What is that? Who is that? Is that a really big Mickey Mouse sucker? Who is it?
Here. I'm gonna open.
Open? Is that a big Mickey Mouse sucker?
Make a mouth.
Sucker?
Stepper.
From Aunt Denise? From Aunt Denise? Whoops. Just a minute. I gotta use 2 hands here to open it. What do you say
What's that?
to Aunt Denise?
Denise.
Do you say thank you?
Tickle.
Aunt Denise.
Denise.
Wow. That's a
Makeup.
cool sucker thing.
Circle. Ada.
Here you go.
Get that.
Whoops. What do you say?
What is that? Yeah.
No, what do you say?
Yeah.
Do you say thank you? It won't come off. I don't know where the scissors are. Say bye, Aunt Denise.
Bye, Denise.
Say thank you for the sucker. Say thank you.